Welcome to Tash FX. My name is Mokoma Tash and I am here to show you how to make money using Mwos online betting. You know, most of the people, they maximize losses and minimize wins, but with this strategy, we minimize losses and maximize wins. You know, as you can see this receipt, it has got 19 teams and I bet to you that all of those teams are going to win. As you can see already, I've made a win here and here and here. Let's go. And here and here, here. With this strategy, a lot of teams, they struggle to score quite a number of goals which are more than 5 if we add the goals of both teams. So that is why I bet under 4.5, because let's see here, Blackburn Rovers versus Oxford United. Blackburn Rovers scored 2 goals and Oxford United scored just 1 goal. So if we add those goals, it's 3 goals total, and it's less than 5 goals. So of course I won. Let us go to Crystal Palace versus West Ham. West Ham scored 2 goals, and if we add the goals of both teams, it's very rare for those goals to reach 5. That is why I'm telling you that this strategy is one of the best strategies. Let us go to Middlesbrough versus a Portsmouth. Here it's 2-2, which means if we add the goals, they add up to 4, and I did bet under 4.5. You see how I make those wins. It is very probable that you can win. If you can see the way my ticket is showing, it has got quite a number of profits, and it's very rare to lose. So make sure next time when you bet under 4.5 on every game, each and every game. I bet you're going to win. And some of the games which might be obvious, for example, this one of Manchester City and Ipswich Town. As you can see that Manchester City, it scored quite a number of goals. That's where you can bet a win. But in rare cases, most of the cases, you need to bet under 4.5, because if we add the goals of both teams, it's very rare for those goals to reach 5, and you are most likely to win. Trust me, with this strategy, you're going to make money. Thank me later. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.